Hello student. Today first unit B reading. We will read B reading. The Duck and the Kangaroo. It is a poem. Here the duck wish to hop and go around the world. That is the theme of this stanza. Okay, let's start. Said the duck to the kangaroo, good gracious, how you hope. Over the fields and the water too, as if you never would stop. My life is a bore in the nasty means dirty pond means water body, and I long to go out in the world beyond. I wish I could hope. Hope means move by jump. Like you. Wish means desire, longing. Said the duck to the kangaroo. Now I told here duck wish of the duck to hope and go around the world. Now the duck thinks. Actually here the duck thinks that her life is a bore in the nasty pond, and she wishes to go out of the pond and hope like a kangaroo who is lucky in its view. She was thinking kangaroo life is very lucky because it can go and roam all around the world, and she also wanted to go around the world. Next paragraph. Please give me a ride on your back, said the duck to the kangaroo. I would sit quite still means without moving, sturdy, state, constant I think, and say nothing but quack. Quack it is quack only duck tell na, it is speaking that the whole of the long day through, and we would go to the and the jelly bowly. It is the imaginary place of the poet. That place is not there in reality, only imaginary, like fairy tale, imaginary beautiful place like this there. Over the land, over the sea, please take me a ride. Oh, though, said the duck to the kangaroo. Now here, duck is requesting to the kangaroo to take me her for a ride. Okay, and the duck requested the kangaroo to give her a ride on his back, and she says that she will sit calmly, means she will not move at all, sit calmly where on the back of the kangaroo, and they can go over the land, over the sea. That request in this, what is the theme is there? Requesting, duck requested to the kangaroo for what? To give her a ride. Okay, now next paragraph, let's see. Said the kangaroo to the duck, this requires some little reflection, mean thought. Perhaps the whole it might be bring me luck, and there seems but one objection, means one problem, which is if you you'll let me speak so bold means frankly, your feet is unpleasantly wet and cold, and would probably give me a rheumatize, said the kangaroo. Actually, rheumatize is a disease that makes the muscles and joint pain. Now, duck here in this stanza, duck is ready. Duck is ready to give. No, kangaroo is ready to give a ride to the duck, but she put one. Who no? Kangaroo put one condition. What is the condition was there? Kangaroos agree to her request. What request? To give her a ride. Okay, but rises a doubt that because her wet and cold feet, because duck has a feet that have toe connected by membranes, means it is the thin layer of skin is there that join the toe and other fingers. Then she told ki it may be give me trouble, that this wet feet, it may cause me this rheumatize disease, means I will get muscles pain. It then okay.